Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Is your PS4 running super slow and lagging? Do the menus lag? Are your games running really slow? In this video, we will discuss 6 ways to fix your slow PS4 and have it running faster in minutes. Fix number 1. Too many notifications. Simply navigate over to your notifications and delete all your old notifications. This alone could speed up your PS4 by quite a bit. Fix number 2. Too many friends. Simply navigate over to your friends list and delete friends you haven't interacted with in a while. This could also really help speed up your PS4. Fix number 3. Too many messages. Navigate over to your messages and delete all old messages. You'll be surprised by how many messages you might actually have. Fix number 4. Limit content on the home screen. Navigate to Settings, System, and check the box for Limit Content Items on home screen. Fix number 5. Too many applications. Head over to System, Storage, and delete applications you don't use. Don't worry, if you just delete the game, you won't lose your game data. Fix number 6. Rebuild the PS4 database. Over time, your PS4 database may become corrupt. So power down your PS4 completely, which means shut down and not rest mode. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Scroll down and select Rebuild Database. This process may take some time. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.